Hi everybody, Dr. Lamm here to demonstrate a wrist adjustment. A lot of people don't know that chiropractors, they don't just adjust the spine, the neck, low back. We adjust extremities too, and the common one we use is the wrist. So the way we do this is, here's the wrist here. There you have 8 small tiny little bones here in the wrist. And so how this is done is we find any restriction that may be happening. Maybe you have pain in the wrist, figure out where that's coming from, and then we do a simple wrist adjustments where this is how it's done, just like this. And that's it, wrist healed.